Hello, hello. Thank you so much for your interest, your curiosity, right? Whatever motivated you to come this far to get more access to our mini resource, which is a preview, a brief overview of the full AI powered assessment toolkit. And as promised, I wanted to make sure that you got a little bit of a preview. You got some behind the scenes things, specifically, because the whole kit itself is very deep, it's very rich, but I wanted you to see a sneak peek of the quick start, right? Because sometimes we just need support, knowing where to get started. So, where do we start? What do we do? Just a couple of things, just even starting off by focusing on, okay, this is why we're using AI in math. I even had that conversation with my fourth grader today. Mom, will I be using AI in math class? He hears me talking about it a lot in different sessions and things. And I definitely said, yeah, you should, bud. And we talked about how that would look more so for him. Just kind of a reframing again about AI, not only in education and AI specifically, getting into the critical thinking methods, the best practices, things to do, things that we should not do. And again, this is a very quick start, very high level overview. But again, just thinking about these best practices, mistakes to avoid, just considerations, you all. So, when I say the quick start, and especially this preview of the quick start, is not even the tip of the iceberg, right? Not even 5%, 2%, because the resource itself is really, really deep. It gets really, really into what should happen, what could happen while we're working with AI in math class. But again, I just wanted to give you that brief preview. So stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying this resource. We poured a lot into it to support educators in this new space, this new evolution that's happening. And we know that you'll find value with it. We hope that you just let us know